What are you doing? You getting monster trucks? Which one do you want to get? Huh? And which one are you gonna get for Nisi?
The zombie one.
No, the zombie one is scary.
Next to this one.
What is that one?
No.
Hey, let me see the one you have. Is that Edge Shaker?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I can pay for it.
You're gonna pay for it? You're gonna pay for it? With your money?
Master.
Who's that?
Nightmare.
Let me see.
That's for me.
No. You're gonna find something else when they say.
Okay.
Something that she likes.
Cars?
I don't know. Turn it, let me see. Show it to the camera. Okay.
That's really.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You wanna go now?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Nisi is still looking.
Look at that.
Where is that one?
Oh, Bigfoot. Big bat.
Nisi.